Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete recent files in Windows 10. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. Now first of all, just hit right click on the start button, then click on run and type here recent and hit on OK. Then you will see all of your recent files. Here we have to hit Ctrl+A on your keyboard. Then you will see all of your files are selected. Now hit right click and then you will see the option as delete. Click on the delete. Now all of your recent files are deleted. Close this folder. Then again go to your this PC. Then go to quick access. Right click on it. Then you will see the option as options. Click here. Then go to general and here we have to untick these two options. The show recently used files in quick access, or the second one is show frequently used folders in quick access. We have to untick these two options, and once you do that, just hit on apply, then click on OK. Now if you close the folder and reopen it, you will see there is no recently open files and frequently open files option are visible. So yeah guys, that's it. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.